Have you ever wondered why the richest people in the USA always invest in gold? Why billionaires panic buy gold whenever the world feels uncertain? Why gold keeps rising even when stocks fall? Today, you're about to enter the world that the wealthy don't talk about publicly. This isn't just a video. This is your 2026 survival and success guide to investing in gold the smart way, the rich way, and the safe way. Imagine this. The economy crashes. Inflation rises. The dollar drops. People lose their retirement savings. Banks freeze withdrawals. But gold rises again and again. Why? Because gold has been the world's #1 safe haven for over 5,000 years. And in 2026, when global elections, geopolitical tensions, rising inflation and recession warnings dominate the headlines, gold may become the most powerful shield for your financial future. Isn't it time you took control? In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to invest in gold in the USA in 2026, step by step. Physical gold. Digital gold. ETFs. Gold IRAs. Mining stocks. And even fractional gold ownership. You'll understand which option protects your money, which option grows your money, and which option is perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know the smartest strategy Americans are using to build long-term wealth, whether you have $50 or $50,000. Let's break it down with logic. In 2026, gold is projected to stay between $2,600 to $3,000 per oz, driven by economic uncertainty. That means strategies matter. 1. Physical gold, the safest during crisis, especially coins bars stored at home or in a vault. 2. Gold ETFs, perfect for investors who want liquidity, low fees. 3. Gold IRA, excellent for long-term tax-free or tax-advantaged retirement growth. 4. Gold mining stocks, higher risk, but high profit potential. 5. Digital/fractional gold, ideal for small investors starting from $5. This is not gambling. It's a structured wealth-building strategy used by smart investors. Now think deeply. What is wealth? Is it the number in your bank account? Or the security that you can't lose? What gives peace of mind? Gold is emotional. People buy gold not just for profit, but for protection, confidence, and dignity. In 2026, when prices rise and uncertainty grows, imagine having something that never goes to zero. Something that has survived wars, recessions, inflation, and world crises. That is your power, that is your stability, that is gold. So ask yourself. If not now, then when? These insights come from top U.S. financial sources: Bloomberg, CNBC, Federal Reserve reports, World Gold Council data, and market analysts forecasting the 2026 gold trend. But information is useless without action. Start small. Start smart. Start today. If you want more videos on gold, crypto, stocks, and daily finance updates, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and join the Today Finance Market community. Your wealth journey begins right now.